welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. And we are still developing an unassemblize tool to aid our Thyme development efforts. Okay, so last video we have tried to apply the matching similarity also on the bundle level, not just on function level. With the coloring, and there were some problems left, right? Let's see. So let's go to here, some file, and we select that, and 0%, compile and bundle. So this is 3%. Like here, for example, why is this 7%? Memory init.cpp. Why is this 7%? Also, I just realized we have another bug here with this here. Since these guys have 0 match functions, they shouldn't show this. Hold on. So here we have it. Actually, we do need to say is matched, has matched. Yeah, okay. So we do actually need bool has matched functions. False. Has matched functions. True. And then we say here, if not has matched functions, continue. Okay, I think this will solve one of the problems. Let's put this in singular. Has matched function. It's missing comparison. Okay, so click on here, we do this, and now it just process this one. Okay. Good. Next, so this 7%, it makes no sense to me. Why is it 7%? How about we put a breakpoint in here and we restart this. Compare. Okay, and then we click here and we do Control A, and that hits this breakpoint. And now let's see, we have bundles 32, bundle info 32. Okay, so this will be hard to debug. Oof. Let's go put a breakpoint in here. Okay, match info, matched index 18. Okay. So has matched function, true. Matched function. is missing comparison. True. Ah, okay. Let's put a breakpoint here in is compared. Okay. So total similarity is 0. Now it's 100. Okay. Then we should have 3 more. Is matched, has match function, yeah. And this one is also 100, I guess. So it's 200 now. Okay. And we have now one that is not matched, and then we have one that is 51 or so. Yeah, so 251. Okay. And so that means we have matched functions and we are not missing comparisons. So, oh, we divide by bundle counter. That's not quite right, isn't it? We need to divide by function count. Yeah, we need to divide by function counts. That's the problem. Let's do uint 32t function count dot size const function count. Okay, that should fix it. Good. I'm also thinking that to move this one up here because it's more likely we run into this if we hit this break, and then I can check this right away. Actually here, if we are missing comparison, actually it would be nice if we could jump straight to the next iteration, but we can't do that because there's another for loop here. We would have to use a goto. I guess it's fine. Missing comparison, true. Well, missing comparison. Well, we could maybe move this into another function. Let's see. Panda is matched. Yeah. Bundle. So you give it a bundle. And a file. Bundle and file. Bundle. Match infos. open it. I think we should create a function that something like builds function similarity reports. Then we create a struct function functions similarity reports. Function similarity report, and we return this here, and we give it a span const index t named function indices, and then we give it a here const and function match infos. Or maybe we just give it the file. Oh, no, it can be specific for now. Match infos. That's it. Function similarity reports. Maybe we put that function. Yeah, let's put it here. And in here we put int missing let's say so un32t total similarity maybe we do uint32t oh Jesus, what happens? Okay, matched matched named function count. Total similarity 0. Matched number of functions that are matched with the other side. Accumulated similarity score. Accumulated similarity score. Matched name function. Well, do we really care about this value though? Not sure. Don't care right now. Has matched function. We only care about these things here. Has matched function. Has matched. Well, can do bool has matched named function const return not 0. Maybe that's more. Function is missing comparison. Maybe we do it first with these values here. Total similarity. Okay, so put that here. Da-da. Okay, and then we copy this guy here. And we put this here. And a match infos here. Maybe we rename it to name it function match infos. Okay, and then we create here the function similarity reports, return reports. Dot that, okay, and okay, break reports, okay, and then we take this guy and we put here function similarity reports equals that thing, and we give it this thing, and this thing, and that's it. And then we can remove all this stuff, and we can do report dot is missing comparison. Okay. Maybe we can create a function here. Bool is complete const return has matched function and not is missing comparison. So then we say if reports not is complete, then continue. Otherwise, hold on, we have function count. Function count compared report. Missing comparison. Let's put a uint32t total similarity 0, total similarity, and then here reports report dot total similarity equals total similarity, return report, and here we do return reports fast exits. Hold on, that's not quite right. Total similarity divided by name function indices dot size. You know what would help here in this case? I think we would reduce the complexity a little bit if we could pass here a different type. So right now we only use this one here, but how about we reinstate the matched name function indices in here? Then that would be more efficient. So Yeah. Where do we build this? Runner. Create. Build name functions command, right? No. Where was it? Build bundles here. There we go. So how about we also build the match name function indices? So let's put that here. And then we go back to our function. So take report, if not is complete, okay. And then here dot total similarity. Total similarity. Let's remove this here. Okay, so matched function. And then yeah. So basically we only pass matched function indices in here. Yeah. That will simplify things. So so here we will pass matched name function indices. Then here we say also matched named function indices. And basically we expect that, yeah, these are just named functions. Yeah. Then here we remove this guy. There we go. Okay. And then we take this guy and basically we remove all this here. Okay. And has matched function basically is true. So we say is compared. So remove this. Total similarity. I think we can now has results, and we say has result if total similarity is larger than 0. Accumulated similarity score. Oh, I don't need. Okay, then we can remove this. Has results. Okay, and then yeah, and then we simply reports. So we don't need this. We just return. Let's put a comment here. Well, it's how about we put here if not is compared. Oh, I just realized we do need the match info here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, has results. Total similarity. Function similarity report. Let's just call it similarity. Return similarity is larger than 0. Similarity. And we say here similarity report. Then we say here if not is compared. Return report is missing comparison. Report is incomplete. Okay. Then we put this here and we put that there. Reports. Then we remove this. Okay. Yeah, I think this is much simpler now. Yeah, much simpler. Okay, then we say here's similarity. Then we say if not report has results, continue, and then we can also remove this here, and it's greatly simplified now. Can also make this const. Okay, match name function is okay. Okay, I think this is good, and I think it works. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we compare this junk and yeah. Okay, let's select this and we select that and we go to crash. All right. Oh, that's not good. Divided by 0. Right. Guess we need an early return here. Yeah. So we say or we already do it here. If this dot empty, continue. Maybe this actually should be the first thing we check. Right. And then we put an assert here. Assert this dot size is larger than 0. All right. Let's make a comment here. Cumulative. Cumulative similarity of all functions for past for of matched functions. Similarity value cumulative. Well, no, it's average. Let's call this AVG, similarity. Average similarity value of matched functions. We call this total similarity or sum. Okay. And then here put AVG similarity. Wait. Why average? I think average makes no sense. It's not an average, or is it? Is it an average? Hold on. If we take similarity of all the functions within the bundle, is that an average? Yeah, I think. Maybe. I'm not so sure if that's an average. Maybe it is. Okay, so let's click it and we select this, and it's now showing us 83%, and I think that makes sense. Yeah. What does it? 83. Does it make sense? Let's take a calculator. So it's 251 divided by 4. That's 62. Uh, 62. Wait, so 400. 251 divided by 400 is 62%. Why is it showing as 83%? Oh. Right, because we're just dividing it by 3, not by 4. We would have to divide it by all named function indices. Oh, yeah. Then how about we... Then how about we give this some similarity here? Total similarity value of matched functions. Accumulative. Jesus Christ, I can't type. Let's call it total similarity, like we had it previously. Okay, so we don't divide it by this, we just give a total summary, similarity, and then here we do total divided by bundle divided by all named function indices dot size. Maybe make a const un32t average similarity equals this thing, this, da, da, da. Okay, like that. Okay, yeah. Can we simplify this here a bit more? Like get rid of this thing here. Yeah, we can set it to 0 here. How about that? So let's remove this guy. Yeah, let's remove this and that, and then we do report dot this, and then here we do report dot total similarity equals 0, and then we break, and then we remove this return, and that's simplified. Yeah. You can also remove this here. All right. Good. So bundle if matched name function indices are actually, hold on. Yeah, if matched are empty, then we skip this. Yeah. Now, with this in mind here, can we also simplify some other function? Hold on. Matched function. Wasn't there another place where we updated? Hold on here. update named function. This name function. Name function. Here name function. Update. Oh. No. Update bundle UI infos. Let's see this. Updates here. Has matched function. Has matched function. Update info. Has matched function. Has matched function. Is matched function. Is matched function. To me, it looks like we can get rid of this function here. And we simply have has matched function. We simply do bundle dot matched function indices dot size is larger 0. Well, let's say it's not 0. Yeah, I think this is the only place where we call it. Yeah, then I think we can remove this function. Has matched function. Ta -ta. Ta -ta. Ta. Okay. There we go. Okay, greatly simplified. Very good. Okay. All right, so then do we have everything? If not, has result, continue, report, matched, named, function, match infos. Is compared. If not, is compared. Okay, this looks good to me. Yeah. Yeah. So we can make these spans also cons. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Good. So we select this guy, we click here, and we don't see an M now here. Uh-oh. Something is wrong already. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, let's see. There was one other thing I wanted to look at. Yeah, I would also say to here is not 0. Actually, we can say empty, right? Empty. Assert not empty. There we go. Empty. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. Oh, I just realized a mistake we made here. It should be matched named function indices. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Has match function. Okay. Which brings me to the next question. Did we use the correct one here? Yes. Okay, let's try this again. Good. So So we click in here. Okay, we see the M here. Okay. We click there. Okay. 62%. That's correct now. Okay, very good. Then let's click here. Here. Let's do this one here. 42%. Okay. 4%. Okay, let's go to... Well, this works very well. There is a bit of a... yeah, performance seems to be fine. Let's go to single bundle. Let's get all done. Let's go here. Oh, we see no M's here. Huh. Okay, we do have M's here. This looks good. Why do we have none here? That is strange. Also here not. Why not? Let's restart the debug session. That is strange. Let's see. Game dot compare. We don't have an M here. Why not? Huh? Let's put a breakpoint here. Compare. So this is compilant. This is source file. Good. So what is wrong here? Bundle type, blah, blah. Okay. And bundle. Okay. And the bundle does have no match name function indices. Huh. Somehow these are all 0. Why? Why are these 0? Oh. Oh. I think I know. I think I know. Oh, where is it? Here, create. Yeah, they all have their own flags here. Here. So this guy. Here, we put it here. And here. I wonder if we should make the bundles. Where is it? Where's bundle? It would be great if in our bundle, if we would see here already that a vector was built, was requested. But right now we don't have this information. It's on the caller side, well, which is in our ImGUI app, but like it would be good to see right from here whether or not we built these indices. actually, these might also be handy here. These indices. I wonder. Let me see. MGUI app matched. Yeah, because so what if we could pass the matched function indices here instead? Then we don't need this thing here. Okay. Let's go to matched. Oh boy, this stuff. Let's go to build here. Okay, so let's create a const expr for this thing. Static const expr uint 8t. Build bundle flags. Build GUI build bundle flags. Okay, we build matched function indices. There we go. Okay, then we take this guy and we move it here. And here and here. Okay, and then let's go to here. So I think then what we can do is we pass here the matched function indices, and we say assert not empty, and here matched function index, and then here we can go straight into this guy, and we no longer need this middleman. Yeah, and another simplification step, and then we can avoid passing this. Then we can go here and remove this guy, and we rename this to matched function indices. And this one actually should be called matched. Okay, so matched, so we pass matched function indices instead, and we don't pass this guy. And then here we check this, and that would be done. And then we go to this one here. Let me see, matched name function UI. Okay, and then we go to update bundle UI infos, and here we can also use matched function indices. Doesn't matter, both are fine. Has matched function. Okay. Which in turn I think means that for now we can remove this one here. We just build matched function indices and all named function indices, I think. Okay, let's have a double check that we really don't use matched named function indices. We should check that from, let's go to named function bundle, and we search for this one here. Let's see if there are any users. In ImGUI app, there's not. What about this one? There's not. What about this one? There is here. Good. All right. And this one, of course, as well. Yeah. Good. I think this will work now. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, compare. There we go. Okay, let's double check this. So this is type compilant. This is source file. Let's see. Size 1. Okay. All right. Let's see. Good. So we switch to this, and it does show us the M here and here as well. Okay, let's click on this, and it didn't work. Huh, this one worked, but this one not. Why not? Oh, because it's 0%. Oh, okay. We have an error in our logic. Yeah, okay. I see. There is, but we can fix. How about we? How about we create has results. How about we create an std optional here? Optional total similarity dot has value. Okay, and then we go to this report and we put total similarity dot value. Does it return const? Value. And place 0. How big is this optional thingy? I mean, it must carry some state, so this must be bigger than 4 bytes now, right? Let me see. Yeah, there is some state inside. Yeah. Yeah, but I guess it's fine. Okay, so m place 0 we do here. No, hold on. We do null std null opt. And here we do report total similarity dot m place 0 std null opt. Okay, does this work? Dot value. Maybe we can report dot has value. What can you has results? Then I think we can remove this. I think let's put it back as a result. I think it's good. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. Let's try this. Good. So if we now click on win main, let's go to this, and it shows us 0%. Yeah. Okay. Now it's showing correctly. Okay. So this one is 49%, 42%, 62, 0. Okay, so far this looks good. 25%, yeah, this looks right. Okay, let's go to our single bundle. Let's do all 15%. 15, does that make sense? %, maybe. Seems a lot to me. Seems like really a lot. How can this be correct? It sounds so much, right? Because we have a lot of functions that have no zero, right? No match. So I wonder why is it so much? So we know that, wait, hold on, we can estimate it. So we have 91 matched functions, we know this. And we have 3, 4, 5 total functions. So that is 26%. And then out of those, yeah, 15. Yeah, I guess the number kind of makes sense, yeah. So 26 would be if all of those matched functions were 100%. But it's 15%, so it means that, yeah, the matched functions themselves, they are round about 60% or so in total. Yeah. Which could be the case, yeah. Okay, let's assume it is correct. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Source file bundles, yeah. Okay, cool. I think this is really decent. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, what is the time? 1 hour 20. Yeah, I would say let's try to wrap it up maybe in the session. Get the submission out. Then we need to clean up a little bit. Oh, there are quite a number of changes here. So let's clean up here. Okay, so let's remove all the commented stuff first. This stuff here. Make configurable, remove that. All right, good. Main color. So this one, comparison function. This is now item list. Item lists. Item lists color. Comparison manager, item list color. Style color. Style. Item list style color. Item list. Yeah. Okay. Then let's I'd like to take a screenshot of this for progress. Okay, so let's stop debugging. Okay, let's clean up. So Let's see. So we added this GUI bundle, GUI build bundle flags. Okay. We have this stuff here. Blah 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 blah. Similarity. Null opt similarity. Hold on. Let me look at this thing here. I hope that this guy is only 2 bytes big. It is. Oh, okay. Okay, so there's like a boolean in it or something. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Okay, it didn't matter. I mean, even if this would be 8 bytes, that would still be optimal because the alignment is 8 bytes. So it doesn't matter much. Okay, so, but I think this struct is good, and this as well. So we have these thingies, yep. Okay, so we added a bunch of functions here. Get bundles, bundle UI infos, 2 versions of this, unfortunately. Get bundle selection, get filtered, okay. That is fine. Update bundle UI infos, yeah, that is pretty much needed. Here we moved some things around and added new containers there. Okay, we added this function similarity report. Bool has result const, has value. Total similarity, null opt, accumulative similarity, value of matched functions. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is update all bundle UI infos. Yeah. Pending build comparison. Ah, we didn't test this one yet, really. But we can try to test it. So basically, when we make a big selection of things, let me see, how do we do it? How do we do it? Well, it could be hard to test with just a debugger. Well, I guess you can try. Actually, I think it will be, well, it will be possible. Yeah, depends. It depends. So, yeah, let's try. Let's try. So, we go to here, and we all remove this garbage here as well. So it's here. So basically we put a breakpoint here, and it should only hit at the very end of all processing if we can manage to select like matched functions like repeatedly, which is a big question mark. Let's see. So basically we would compare, and we select the single bundle, and now we would need to drag a list and be fast. Let's see. Oh no, it hits immediately. Okay. It actually hit twice, didn't it? Huh. Yeah. It hit So it did call it twice, right? Callback. Callback. I'm not sure. Let's put a breakpoint for if this thing conditions cannot be larger than 1. Let's see. Oh, it never hit. That's weird. Why is it never larger than 1? Huh. Okay, that I don't understand. Why is it never larger than 1? Can someone explain? Why is it never larger than 1? That makes no sense. What does it? It would imply that the comparison always completes before our next one is started. I don't understand. Let's retry. Why is it never larger than 1? Do the commands really finish faster than we select things in the UI? Always? Okay, how about in our result function, let's go to async commands here, runner async. So in our match async build here work. So how about here we put a sleep 300 milliseconds. I think I need a std thread sleep std Jesus threads sleep for this thread sleep for okay this thread sleep for int what does it take chrono 300 ms error type Jesus includes threads includes chrono chrono literals there we go so much steps okay good so let's artificially decrease the speed at which we process these commands. Yeah, so there's always a 300 milliseconds delay, which should give us plenty time to accumulate multiple commands as we wipe through the function list. All right, let's see. Go to single bundle and we start selecting, but it does not hit. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Let's make it longer. 1 second. That is suspicious, isn't it? So as we select things now, it should take a long time to process commands. But it doesn't. Something is wrong. Oh, we didn't put it into the right. Jesus Christ. We need to put it here. Oh, bye. Okay, let's try this again. Compare. Single bundle and now we hit 26, huh? Why does it hold on? Why does it hit it so late? But at least it shoots over 1 now. Well, that's good. Okay, let's put a breakpoint in here. Okay, so now we have this artificial stall. And now it processes for a very long time. How about we... Okay, it's... Huh? Now it hit. Okay. That was weird though. Huh. Validate command ID. Let's do this one more time. Let's restart debugging. Okay, I guess what this means is if it doesn't happen with this artificial sleep that we added, that it really just always finishes faster than we selected in the UI. Yeah. So we need this artificial stall to. Aha, but now it has finished once already. But it has finished later. Yeah. But why already? That was like the second or so. Isn't that too fast? I don't understand. I'm confused by this. How about we add here a static int total issue, total runs. Yeah, put that as 0. Then we put here plus total runs to see like how often was this actually run here. Okay, let's try this again. Something is fishy, but I'm not sure. Very fishy. Okay, how about we only show matched functions? Yeah, and now we select. Okay, there we go. Okay, total runs should be 91. Oh, it doesn't show us. Pending. Okay, how about we put these here? Let's do total pending. Let's do total this. Then we do this total. Okay, then we remove this. Let's try it again. Man, something is really weird. Okay, single bundle. Okay, so we have selected all in succession. What? Oh. Right. It's because we don't execute these things in parallel, right? So of course there can't be overlaps. Like right now, the work queue just gets flooded with entries, but they are all lined up one after another. So there are no parallel. There are no parallel of these, but hold on, no. Oh, right, it's a chain command. Yeah, it's chain. It's evaluated later. Ah. Then we need to do it differently. Yeah. Okay, I see the problem. I see. So this function is here, process matched functions. Right, so here we have, right, so it first processes these guys here, and then it does here process matched functions, but this comes later. So this one is created later, right, in the work queue. So process name match functions is okay, how can we do it then? Yeah, okay, so maybe we just so this needs to happen earlier here. But the question is where. I would like to have these things in the same vicinity. Callback. Well, yeah, that's not an easy solution to this. So let's move these guys to huh. I don't like it. It's error prone, isn't it? Oof. I don't like it because it makes code more complicated in ways. Ah, man. Ah, man, I hate this. How? How about... I got nothing. I got nothing. Process selected functions, chain to last. Chain to last. Man. We need to somehow say at the beginning of a chain that we have started it and then end it at the end of the chain. Man, this is not good. How can we... How can we... Wait. Basically, we make a promise here that we will create this, right? But it's delayed created. It's not created yet. So that's a problem. So we would have to like put it here, but then it would break if we were to call this one, for example. All right. So I don't like it. It makes code brittle. Yeah, easy to make mistakes and. Right. We would essentially have to. We would have to find a way to. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. There's no good way to do this here. It's a delayed command. It's not evaluated before it gets in here. And it must be a delayed command because of this here. Shared work count. Because we have two branches. It branches off here because we have this 2. So it branches the work branches off to 2, and then it comes back into 1 here after the shared work count is 1. So this has to be delayed. So it is correct. But then we cannot have this information as to like, yeah, we have started this because it hasn't started at that point when we kicked this off. So, but if we put it here, if we put it here, then we have this weird dependency that when we call this, it expects that this is called, this here. But if we were to call it from here, then this would break apart because then it wouldn't have this pairing here. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe there's some elegant solution. I don't see it right now. I don't see it. Oh, come on. There must be some solution. I'm not seeing it. We need to find a way. I mean, this is. I mean, there would be another approach, but that would be Also not so elegant. Let's not talk about that. I don't know. It's a weird dependency because of this chaining here. It doesn't work. Chain, chain, chain. Well, actually what we could do is we could increment it here, and then we could decrement it here once, and then inside here it will be incremented again, because in here, right? So then in here we put that. And so let's remove this here. So we put this here. Yeah, so at the start of the chain it increments this, so it's already pending. Then here we decrement it. Yeah. And then inside here it will increment it again. Yeah, this will work. It's a bit like convoluted. Maybe we add a comment here. Process name function first. Increment and increment pending increment here because the pending because the command is delayed and evaluated much later. Increment here because the command is delayed much later only. Much later, and therefore the command is delayed much later. The command is delayed much later, and therefore would be known. I don't know how to explain it. Increment here because the command is delayed much later. increment here because the command is delayed. And therefore the pending work would be unknown at this time. Therefore, otherwise, increment here because the command is delayed, and therefore pending work would be unknown at this time. I hope this helps. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's try this. I think this might work now for our purposes. Do we still have the breakpoint set? No, we don't. Let's go in here. In here. So we increment it here and we put a breakpoint here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Compare. Good. So let's see. Single bundle. Okay, so now the expectation is we select all the functions. We go down the list and then we have to wait a while until all the processing is done. And then we get one callback in here. Only one. Not more. Just one. Okay. Okay, it is weird that this overlay has stopped here. But I think it's still processing. It just seems to be a visual issue here. We didn't get a callback yet. Let's wait a bit more. I guess we have to wait 91 seconds. That is 1 minute 30. Because we put all these sleeps. Oh, we are patient. No problem. No problem. Aha. 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 There we go. Okay, so this works now. It works. After all the processing is done, we get this. But there is a bug with the visualization. It seems that something is not catching our busy state. What is it? Huh. So we have comparison records. Did we maybe forgot putting it somewhere? Work reason. Work reason. Here. Comparison descriptor. Program file revision. Why is it not showing this sample? What about these guys here? Is it not showing us this work here? Is it not showing us this work? Has active command. Active command ID. Active breaks. But this should be inclusive here. Active command ID. What is wrong? I don't understand. Build. Build comparison records. Let's go in there. Active command ID. File. Active command ID. Command ID. I wonder if it's like overwritten by some other work. Like, is it possible that someone invalidates a command ID and then a new work starts and then it's invalid? It must be something like that. Must be something like that. Okay, how about we investigate this in another session and we ignore this problem for now because it's an unrelated problem. It's a general problem, yeah. Okay, then let's, so we fixed that one issue, so that's good. Let's put this, remove this, and yeah. So this one works, this one we renamed and we made it simpler. That's great. Okay, ImGUI app. Let's see. Okay, here we have a bunch of commented things. Let's go to this function here. Somehow it's not found. CPP, there we go. Okay, so here we have a problem. So we have item name. Let's rename this. Item name and item ID. There we go. And has matched function and similarity. Okay. All right. Okay, this looks good. Then let's remove this guy here. And yeah, that's good. All right, so similarity value changed, has value this and this. Okay, empty similarity. Okay, blah, blah. Okay, this looks good. Here we free all these UI infos, name function UI, component, this single bundle UI info. Yeah, okay. This is good. Here we init, resize, component, resize, data, resize. Yeah, okay. Then we renamed this to get bundles. That's fair. Then we added a new function here. Get bundle UI infos. Yeah. Okay, this is correct. Then here we have another function, get bundle UI infos. This is the const version, which has a const cast, but that's okay. And get bundle selection. Okay. Get filtered bundle UI info, blah, 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 assert, okay. Here we have a commented thingy. So we remove that, okay. Update bundle UI infos. Here we go through a bunch of things. Bundle count, bundle has matched function. Okay, that looks good. Get bundle selection, okay. And list item UI info. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, update all bundle UI infos. We spent a lot of time with this today, and I'm pretty fine with this. Yeah, as long as we don't call it often, it's okay, which we now no longer do. Okay, so we got this guy. Here we updated the flags. Good. Here we added the update for the update all bundle UI infos. And here increment here because the command is delayed. Yeah, we added this. With this we don't do yet. This we do. Refactor. And here we do UI info, bundle UI info, style, color. If UI info similarity has value, then we call this function. Otherwise, we don't. Here we have some more commented code. Yeah, let's remove that garbage. There we go. Okay, and here's another one. Okay, great. So this is now simplified. Yeah, looks good to me. Fantastico. And this we don't do yet. And here we have some more simplifications. Assert similarity has value. Yeah, similarity value is 100. Similarity float value divided by 100. Float. Yeah. It seems to work. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. Then we don't submit this and not this. Okay. Good. I think this change is ready. Let's look at it once more before we submit it. That it actually works correctly. Let's comment out this thread sleep thingy here and runner async here. There we go. Sleep 4. All right, compare. Okay, and so basically we select the bundle, we select all the functions, and it shows us the complete results. Well, not always. What's wrong here? Huh, didn't select all, okay. There we go. Okay, it's very nice. %, 2%. Okay, cool. This works. Yeah, then I think we can submit that. So it was quite a lot of code for this functionality. Yeah. Okay, so what did we call our last implement? Yeah, implement comparison coloring in bundles list. Comparison coloring and bundles list. Commit. Great. Okay. Then next session, we look into this problem here that we have identified. Something is wrong with the async command display. So it's not like the underlying functionality broken, but something is wrong with the pending display of like it's still processing command. Somehow it thinks that it's not processing. Maybe we can reason about this and figure out what's wrong. Yeah. Okay, but I think for this session we have done enough. Yeah, it's been 2 hours, 20 minutes. All right, now we'll take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.